Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your current subscription plan in ElevenLabs. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you want to know which plan you are on, it's pretty simple. Log into your ElevenLabs account, and once you are logged in, we can find this through settings. Now to get to settings, head over on top here, enter your profile icon and then click on it and go to settings. From settings, you can see we have here this option for your current plan. Currently, you can see I'm on a free plan. You can further click on manage subscription to see the details about your current plan, upgrade the plan, or even downgrade your subscription. Under this subscription, you'll also be able to see your current credits and everything pertaining to your current plan. So that's how you can see your current plan in ElevenLabs. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.